Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Teach Entitled 21-Year-Olds They Don't Make the Rules.
On February 2nd, 2024, officers responded to an establishment for a call of a female causing a disturbance.
Scorpio. Awesome, cool, Scorpios, great. Yeah. Good, how are you?
Big Taurus is a lot more crime in Gainesville than Gumby's.
I'm waiting for the guy to pay his tab and then we're gonna head out.
Why did you over here?
Because I need your ID.
No, he doesn't. It's
Do you need
against
mine?
the law for him to ask.
No, I need her ID because she's gonna be trespassed. So
It's okay. It's okay if he trespasses you.
Oh boy, we got a TikTok lawyer. Oh boy, let's see her legal advice.
Why did you over here?
because I need your ID.
No, he doesn't. It's
Do you need
against
mine?
the law for him to ask.
No, I need her ID because she's gonna be trespassed. So
It's okay. It's okay if he trespasses you.
I don't give a fuck about none of it. I don't give a fuck about none of it.
you don't have your ID on you though?
I'll give you my ID in person.
Huh?
I'll give you my social and all that. Look it up.
Okay, but you don't have your physical ID.
Nah, I don't.
Okay.
What you gonna do about it?
Nothing. I was just asking questions.
So do it.
I did.
So do it again. Why are you doing all that?
You don't know what?
I'm trying to get some food.
Okay. Well,
Come on.
what's your name, dear?
Allison.
Awesome. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
So what this is going to be a blanket trespass from the premises
Why am I getting trespassed?
because they don't want you in here no more.
Why? What I did in here? What I did? I'm
Doesn't
ordering
matter.
food out of here. I ain't did not miss motherfucker.
Hold on. They specifically said that they wanted to grow in the corner that was making no noise, no mess.
Yep.
And I was sitting down. Trespass for what?
It doesn't matter. They can...
Hello. Y'all want to be trespassed?
Hey, we're not doing that.
Huh?
We're not doing that. Come
Y'all
on.
want to be trespassed?
We're not doing that. Stop.
Why is you grabbing me like that?
Let's
Why
go.
is you grabbing me like that?
Come on. Stop. I'm not doing it. She's not doing it.
But you ain't got arrested.
Okay.
What she do? You ain't got
I was
arrested.
trying to wait for motherfucking phone. Pussy ass.
Okay.
I was trying to get some
He has not read you your rights. He has not done anything to restrain you.
I know you
I have him
Let her
on
ride.
video. I have you on video. You have not read her rights.
I'll let her ride.
You have not read her rights.
Unit, please.
You have not read her.
You need to get back.
Hey, whoa.
Step back. Stop following me.
I have you assault me
Stop.
on video. I have
Stop.
you assault me on
You need to
video.
get back.
I have you assault me on video and camera. Officer, this is legal. In the state of Florida, officer, you don't know your Florida laws. This is the state of Florida. You're assaulting me.
Get my phone. It's right there.
I got it. In the state of Florida, you assaulted me, sir. You did not read me my rights,
Why
and
do
you
you
put your
arrest
hands
me
on me.
for?
That is assault.
The other one gonna end up getting locked up.
What are you arresting me
I
for?
can already see it once he get her ready.
What are you arresting me for?
Cool. Go ahead, have a seat.
What are you arresting me for?
Have a seat.
I'm confused.
Sit.
All right, I'm saying, what you arresting me for?
Step back.
What are you arresting me for?
Close the door.
Third time the officer
What are
has
you
set his
arresting me
hands on me.
for?
Close it.
This is the third time the officer has set his hands on me. You have not read her man.
Yeah, I figured that.
Stop. Ben, you're on video.
And I know my rights. I know my Florida state rights, sir. Have you arrested me for?
Interfering.
Officer!
Where's the other one? You got it?
In my car.
All right.
As you have assaulted me again,
can put her-
what have I assaulted you for? First of all, this officer assaulted me and I have it on video on my phone.
Okay.
Before he read me my Miranda rights, before he put cuffs on me, he assaulted me by hand, and I have it on video.
No.
He did not read me my Miranda rights. He did not search me. He did not call a female officer.
I did.
First of all, no, he did not. No, he did not. I have it all on video. The camera. First of all, sir.
Stop.
First of all, stop what? Stop what, sir? Stop what, sir? Stop what, sir? Stop what, sir? It's all on video camera. It's all on your body cam. Stop what, sir? Stop what, sir? Stop what, sir?
You just drunk or what was going on?
No, I haven't drank a liquor alcohol. You can give me
Anything in the bag?
an alcohol test.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Why are you so hyped up?
I walked behind him.
Ain't no way you act like this sober. Ain't no way. Ain't no way you act like this sober, man. This is you sober? Oh boy. Oh boy. I can only imagine how she acts if she got some alcohol in her. This is unbelievable. And then you got the guy on the sideline talking about, you ain't gotta arrest her. You ain't gotta arrest her. Then you got his buddy standing in the way of the officer so he can't get her out. This is just a hot mess, man. This is unbelievable. You ain't gotta arrest her, man. You ain't gotta do all of that. Man, you just mad. You probably was trying to get some buns tonight, man. You was trying to get some buns tonight and you seen that she was under some influence of alcohol or something, and now you can't get no buns tonight, man. That's what it is. You talking about you want to be captain. Yeah, I ain't even gonna say that, but Captain Save, you know what I mean? Save up. You know what I mean? But you trying to, nah, it don't work like that, man. You mad. That's why you want to act like the good guy. Well, I was trying to have your back, girl. So maybe she spin back around and give him some buns, man. Nah, it's over with. Go home, man. Go get the lotion. Go get the socks. You know? That's all you can do, man. Get out of here, man. We ain't trying to hear you.
Matt, he assaulted me, and I have it on video. I have it on video.
Listen, he has a body cam
camera's
too.
right there.
He's got a body cam too. So
and I have it on video.
Perfect.
I was walking behind him as he was wrestling my friend, and I was videotaping as I'm allowed as a Florida citizen.
Okay.
And he arrested me for no reason. Keep checking the purse, dig deep. Dig deeper in that Michael Kors, motherfucker. Dig deeper in that Michael Kors. Call my daddy in that Michael Kors, because my daddy number in that Michael Kors. You gonna be crying. You gonna be crying when my daddy come this motherfucker phone. Ooh, y'all gonna be crying when my daddy come to this motherfucking phone. None of y'all read me my Miranda rights. Y'all all got me pertained. Nobody read me no rights, and y'all all got me a tang. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch. So when you detain somebody, you don't have to read the Miranda rights? Sir, mister. Mr. Sir.
No.
Mr. Sir. So when you arrest somebody, when you make an arrest, you don't have to read no Miranda rights.
We're in a car, please, because I can't stand.
Whose car is this? All right, don't worry.
See?
Yeah.
You paid for my money in there. I didn't even do nothing in this bitch. No, I did not. I didn't even do nothing, no. I didn't even do nothing. The fuck? I didn't even do nothing. Stop. Ow. The fuck?
What are you
I didn't even
doing?
do nothing.
Put
In
your
that
hand
bitch,
behind your-
I done paid for my motherfucking food in that bitch.
Okay.
The fuck? All right.
You good?
All right.
What are you fucking doing?
Man, I got stuff back there. Hold on.
Did you find anything you were looking for?
Hey, well, so I'm Officer Comic, all right? I'm only the female, so I'm gonna search you. Okay?
Sure.
You got any needles on you?
Look for what you're looking for.
No, I'm asking you. I just don't want to get stuck by a needle.
Do I look at me? First of all, do I look like a motherfucking needlehead to you, baby? Do I look like a motherfucking crackhead to you, baby?
I don't know.
Do I look like I got a motherfucking pipe on me, baby? Look for me, bitch. Don't you know I don't look like no crackhead, baby. I never. Wait till my daddy call in the morning. That's what y'all do. Wait till my daddy call in the morning. That's what y'all do. Look for me, baby. You know I don't look like no motherfucking dope head. Look for me. Look for me. Look
Is
for
there going to
me.
be any type of contraband?
Girl, do I
Listen to
look like
me.
there's some contraband on me?
Listen to me.
Do I look like?
Okay, contraband can be a lighter.
Do I look like I light on me? I look like I smoke drugs to you?
All right.
I look like I do
Is
drugs
there
to you,
anything in
baby?
your pockets that you know
I look like I
about?
got a lighter to you, baby. I smoke cigarettes to you, baby. You know good and goddamn well I don't smoke no motherfucking cigarettes.
Candles.
I don't smoke no, man, what the fuck I'm going to Gumby's with my candle lighter for? Be for fucking real, you done been in the police long enough. The fuck I'm going to Gumby's with my candle lighter. That's my vape. put it in my possessions because I need it tomorrow. Ain't got no criminal record. Y'all gonna do all this paperwork for fucking nothing. I'll be out RR tomorrow. Got no criminal record. Y'all doing this paperwork because Elisha kind of got nothing else to do. Wait till you hear from my daddy though, baby. Wait till y'all hear from my daddy in the morning. Keep searching, baby. Look for that crack pot you look for on 20th. Baby, you know I ain't got no crack pot. I mean, you can look me in my face and can tell I ain't got no shit on me.
I don't care.
You do. If you're searching for me, you got to care.
It's my job to search.
So you care.
I didn't say that. I said it's my
It's your job to care. If it's your job to search, it's your job to care, baby.
Searching is very different. Do you want your necklace to come off or take it off at the jail?
Dig deep in there. What I'm being arrested for?
I don't know. I didn't show up. I didn't put you in handcuffs.
But you're searching
I'm sure
me,
they will
baby.
let you know.
But you're
Go
searching
ahead
me,
and
baby.
sit back in the car, please.
But you're searching me, baby. What I'm being arrested for? Y'all don't have no idea what I'm. Hold on, on y'all's police camera. On y'all's police camera.
Boy.
Y'all don't know what I'm being arrested for.
Back in.
Y'all don't know what I'm being restrained for.
I will go.
On y'all's police
Find
camera.
out.
Y'all don't know what I'm being restrained for.
Battery?
Still?
Yeah, what's she getting arrested for?
That. Resisting.
Hello. I'm Officer Crime in the Gainesville Police Department. I'm just here to search you. You got any needles on your end?
I don't got nothing on me.
Okay.
I paid for my motherfucking food today. Y'all better give me a motherfucking refund. I know that.
What you want to search me for? Anything that can't go into the jail.
Go ahead, baby.
Face this truck for me. Thank you so much. Anything in your bag?
Go ahead.
Gotta check.
Go ahead.
Is there anything that if
There's
you go into the
nothing in
jail?
there.
Okay.
They got me fucked up. That pussy ass shit.
You know that
I
other...
paid for food. I better get my motherfucking money back. Fuck. That pussy ass shit.
Take one step sideways for me. It'll be... There you go. Perfect. Anything on you that if I miss a
There's
jail?
nothing in my shit.
Okay,
Fuck.
if it goes into the jail...
I know it's a federal charge. I know that, baby.
I'm asking.
The fuck.
Go ahead and sit back.
Baby.
Thank you so much.
Y'all better understand that. I paid for my motherfucking food and that shit. Y'all better believe that. The fuck, pussy ass shit.
Both women were trespassed from the establishment and charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video.
Ratchet ass chicks, man. This is nasty work. This is nasty work, boy. Golly, no home training, boy. What the hell? Can't believe this stuff. The first one definitely would have been let go if she had a little attitude and all that stuff. Like if she would just leave or whatever, she would have been cool. The same one too. The second one too. If she would have just filmed at a reasonable distance or something like that, not right up on the cop and stuff, like she would have been filmed. But as soon as I seen that, when they got to the back of the car, this part, when they got to the back of the car and she was so close after he already told her like back up, like watch, let me show you.
I got it in the state of Florida. You assaulted me, sir.
Look, she's right in his face. Like, it's like, and he just told you to back up. Like, he just told you inside the store. You a reasonable distance, man. As soon as I seen that, I say, yeah, once he get her situated, she going. She going for sure. For sure. Anyway, seems like TikTok didn't help her in this situation. You know, she learned the law from TikTok. You ain't read me my Miranda rights. You ain't got to give ID. You ain't got to do nothing. You just sit there. All you got to do is just sit there and yell at the officer and nothing's going to happen to you. Okay. Got your ass together, didn't we? Shit. So overall, I'm going to get I'm going to get a cop 5 out of 5, man. Did a great job. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.